Hey guys, today I was at Ikea and I saw this little mark in the parking lot. Let's go check it out. Food carts all along here, some mini donuts. Let's make our way further in. Food truck. Vendors, some more food trucks. Look at that, some more vendors. Smoothie, cold tea, churros. Some more people selling some stuff. Never seen this food cart before. Check those prices out. Way up here. Wagon. For recipes. Looks pretty cool. Some flames. Some more vendors. Cotton candy. More vendors. Real windy out here. Right? That's cool. Freeze dried candy. That looks about it actually. Right there. That's it. But there's supposed to be a car show somewhere too. Don't really see much. Another truck right there. That's pretty much it. Bit of a car show, I guess. McLaren, Shelby, Mustang. That's pretty much it. That's pretty cool though.